I'm Marcela, welcome back to our channel.
What a better way to start the year than with a new look.
Yes, today I'm going to show you how I cut my princess's hair. I'm going to try to do some layers on the front as well, and I can't wait to see the final result. I know you can't either. So let's start.
First of all, we're going to split the hair like doing a headband. So I'm going to do a division in the middle and then another one from here to the ear on each side. At the end, we have to do a division like this one. And now we're going to start with the back. So I'm going to split the hair into 3 sections. This is the first one. Hold the rest of the hair. And now we're going to wet the hair. We're going to comb the hair. Yes, look at this. I'm going to take off all of this long. And now we're going to do a straight cut. Okay, now this one will be my guide. So I'm going to comb the rest of the hair. And I'm going to cut it straight. Now we're going to separate a second section. And we're going to wet the hair as well. We're going to comb the hair. The first layer will be our guide, and we're going to cut the hair straight in the same line. Now you can let down the top. We're going to wet the hair and cut this section in the same line as well. Perfect, we have the back. Now we're going to continue with the front. I'm going to take a small piece of hair from here. And now we're going to take a tiny piece of hair from the back. We're going to cut in the same length, so we will know what is the longest section. Now we're going to separate a second division, and we're going to bring back the tiny piece of hair. We're going to comb the hair to the front. And we're going to cut it straight in here. With the rest of the hair on this side, we're going to comb it, and we're going to keep cutting the hair straight. When we have it, we're going to do the same steps on the other side. To finish, we're going to check that the hair on the front has the same length. And we're done. I'm going to blow dry it out to show you the final view. And here we have, this is the final result. It looks so nice. I think my princess looks gorgeous. It makes me wanna cut my hair as well. I'm going to think about it. I think this time this is a total success.
Okay guys, this is all for today. Please give us a big thumbs up if you like this video, and of course let us know in the comments down below if you like the new look. I think personally that is beautiful. She looks gorgeous and I really like it. Princess, did you like it?
Yes, I did.
Please guys, follow us on Facebook and Instagram as well, and see you on our next video. Bye!
Bye!